Hi, Namaste and a very warm welcome to the channel. So here we are going to solve some numerical question from population genetics. So before entering to the question, it will be better you should know the basic formulas that are involved in Heidelberg principle and other in population genetics. So here we go. We know in Heidelberg principle it is P plus Q is equal to 1 and another is P plus Q square is equal to 1, that is P square plus sorry, 2PQ plus Q square, that is equal to 1, where P is our allelic frequency. Both P and Q are allelic frequency. Okay, P is the allelic frequency of dominant A. Suppose there is two character capital A and small a, so P is equal to frequency frequency of A. Okay, and like that Q is equal to frequency of small a. P square is this, both three P Q and P square Q square and 2PQ are genotypic frequency. Genotypic frequency. Okay, so P square is frequency of capital A, 2PQ is frequency of capital A small a, and Q square is frequency of homozygous recessive small a small a. Okay, this much thing we know. Next, if we want to calculate the P will be number of capital A plus half into number of capital A small a divided by n, where n is the total number. Okay, likewise we can calculate the Q in either same way, like number of small a plus half into number of capital A small a divided by n. This can be a way, or we know P plus Q is equal to 1. So if we know P, then Q is equal to 1 minus P. This can be a way. Another can be P is equal to 1 minus Q. If we know either of it, we can calculate. And if we want to calculate P square, simply we calculate P into P, whatever we come, that will be P square. Another three important formula. If we want to calculate number of homozygous dominant, that is capital A, that will be P square into n. Like that, number of capital A small a, that will be 2PQ into n, and another is number of small a, that will be Q square into n. So these are the normal formulas. Besides that, we can calculate the growth dn by dt of a particular population by this formula p minus t into n, where n we know total population, b each birth rate, I'm sorry, this birth rate, and d each you already know death rate. Okay, these are the basic important formulas. Okay, so I request to note it down all the formulas and try to solve this question. So it is a very interesting question from Hardy-Weinberg principle. So according to the question, it's given that capital A is 70, and okay, this capital A is 70, capital A small a 50, and A is 20. It's asking the frequency of capital A and small a. Already we know P is equal to frequency of A is equal to, we have already known, capital A small plus capital half of capital A small a upon n. So if we calculate n is equal to the total number of population 70 plus 50 plus 20, that will be 140. Okay, so it will be likewise 70 plus half of 50 divided by 140. So it will be 70 plus 25 divided by 140. Let me just calculate the frequency of A. It is 95 upon 140. That will be approximately 0.68. Okay, so here we got 0.68. Likewise, we can calculate Q. We already know Q is equal to 1 minus P. So it will be 1 minus 0.68, that will be 0.32. So this will be our answer. Likewise, we can calculate this. Again, it is a very interesting question. It's asking that in the frequency of male, okay, affected with color blindness. So if a male affected with color blindness, its genotype will be XCY. In the Indian population is 0.2. Its frequency is f of XCY frequency is 0.2. Okay, it's asking that what will be the frequency of affected female. F of XC will be what? In the case of male, this is a male. In the case of male, there is 1 XC that represent 0.2. So in the case of female, there will be 2 XC. It will be 0.2 into 0.2. So it will be anyway 0.04. So this will be your answer. We will solve this question from the next video. Till now, stay safe and keep learning.